Hi, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me today. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you click the link below and subscribe to our channel. That way you don't miss out on all the juicy cleaning business industry news. So today I'm going to talk about the biggest mistake that a lot of cleaning business owners make. What is that? I would say the biggest mistake that a lot of cleaning business owners make is they do not use technology. They're still doing it the old-fashioned way. You need to automate. That is the number one thing. Automate, delegate, and delete are actually the three things you need to do in your business. You need to automate more of your business, delegate more of the work, and delete a lot of things that are actually taking up your time. Now, if you were to say, right now I'm not in a position to delete or I'm not in a position to delegate, I understand. The goal is to grow to that position. So what you can do right now is find some part of your business that you can automate, whether it be to automate newsletters you're sending to any of your customers, automate how you do posts on social media. But the only way you're going to grow a six-figure business without having a large staff and a large crew, which is going to then take up more of your revenue, and you'll probably end up being right back where you are, is to make sure that you learn to embrace technology and automate. If you want to learn more about how to build a six-figure cleaning business, please make sure you register below for a live webinar. And space and time is limited. We only have a few slots that we have available for our live webinars. That way we're able to leave a lot of room for questions and answers. So if you're interested, make sure you click the link below to register for our live webinar on how to build a six-figure business from scratch. Until then, be safe, take care, and bye-bye.